Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. Let's see. Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. Re mi re do mi. Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. Re mi re do mi. Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. Re mi re do mi. You can see. Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. Re mi re do mi. Mo fẹ́ kọ ìwé. You can see that we take the vowel, all this one you can divide it. If you want to divide it like this, like this, like this, and like this. We have 5 syllables there also. Now, I want you to put sign on this one. Homework. Or work to do at home. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. Iṣẹ́. You can see. Iṣẹ́ work. Iṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. Àmúrelé. You can see. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. In the first instance, what are you going to do? You will divide this into syllable so that you'll be able to know how to call it and to pronounce it, to put sign at the top. Iṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. You can see. Iṣẹ́. I put sign here. Iṣẹ́. 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 Mú. Re. You are not going to put any sign. Re. Le. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. Re mi do mi re mi. Re mi do mi re mi. You can see now. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. Iṣẹ́ àmúrelé. Re mi do mi re mi. Now, we have Ojo. Ojowa. This Ojo in Yoruba land is a name. You know, it's not Ojo. I told you the other time, Ojo, Dodo, Ojo, that I say rain. This one is a name. Ojo, Ojo, Ojowa. That here, I'm asking Ojo, the name, the person bearing Ojo, to come. Ojowa, Ojowa. This one I can say Ojoro. The rain is falling. Ojoro, Ojowa. Ojo, let's put sign at the top of Ojo. Ojo, do mi. Ojo, 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 do mi. Wa, mi, wa. Ojo, wa. So you can divide it. Ojo, wa. Ojo, you can see now. It's the same letters but has different meaning. Dodo, Ojo, Ojoro. Ojo, Dodo. Then if I want to say it in a West, Ojoro, Domido, it's become Ojoro, Domido. òjò rọ̀. This one is òjò dòdò, òjò dòdò, but in a words òjò rọ̀, dòmídò, òjò rọ̀, dòmídò, òjò rọ̀. So I will now give you some words for you to put as an assignment. So you put it under the comments. So you now put sign at the top. Now the assignment is called Iṣẹ́ Àmúrelé. So under the comments, Iṣẹ́ Àmúrelé, relé, or you say work to do, iṣẹ́ ṣíṣe. Iṣẹ́ remí àmúrelé dòmí remí mí àmúrelé. Now ajá, dog, ajá, dog, ajá, dog. Now porogodo, porogodo. What is that porogodo? Empty something. And people will say it's an empty. It has finished. Porogodo. I want you to put sign. Porogodo. So I will not put it, but put it. Ajá. 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 Porogodo. Empty something, it has finished. It's an empty barren something, sha. So porogodo. Bag, apple. Let's say apple. Apple. Bag, apple. Bag, apple. Bag, apple. Now irun, hair, our hair. Irun, our hair. Irun, irun, irun. Now I want you to put sign on fish, ẹja. Fish, ẹja, 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 fish, ẹja, fish, ẹja, irun, ajá. The first thing to do is that you divide it into syllable. You now call it in, you call it outside. In and outside. This is ajá, dog. Porogodo, anything that is empty. Apple, bag. Irun, hair. Ẹja, fish.